Here are some of the reasons why I got the Trezor Model 1 hardware wallet. In this video, I'll also be sharing with you the specs and features, the software interface from Trezor Suite right out of the box. Feel more secure with these tamper-proof seals. Comes well packed and everything you need to start, whether it's a replacement or a brand new hardware wallet. It includes 2 recovery seed cards, startup guide, micro USB cable, Trezor stickers, the Trezor Model 1 hardware wallet, and the keychain. I needed a secure, trustworthy hardware wallet that I could transfer my crypto, NFTs, and tokens from my crypto exchange, not only for storage, but also to send, receive, and trade. Let's have a closer look at the Trezor Suite software interface. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. It would be a good idea to check the Trezor list of coins that they have listed on their site to see what's available with this hardware wallet. It uses a 2-button pad with an OLED display and a micro USB connection. You can use a PIN and a passphrase for extra security. It's open source, and you also have the option while you're on the screen to be incognito so people can't see your crypto balances. You actually can increase privacy with coin control and protect your identity using Tor. Also, the 2-factor authentication. It includes standard backup and also the 12 or 24 word recovery seed. This will help recover a hardware wallet that was either lost, stolen, or damaged. Software is compatible with Apple, Windows, Android, and Linux. The Trezor Model 1 hardware wallet is the iconic solution for offline coin security. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.